Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Vacuum S12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi Vacuum S12 won't charge properly, you're not alone. This issue can arise from a failing battery, a faulty charger, or even internal connection problems. If left untreated, it can lead to a complete failure of your vacuum, making it unusable when you need it the most. To get started with this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Xiaomi Vacuum S12. First, ensure your vacuum is switched off and unplugged, then use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the casing, starting from the back. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once you have the casing off, locate the battery. It's usually secured with screws, so use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them carefully. Be cautious here, as applying too much force can strip the screws. With the screws removed, gently pull the battery out, being mindful of any connected wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and align it into the compartment, ensuring the connectors match up correctly. Secure the battery in place with the screws, but don't over-tighten them. Next, reattach the casing by aligning it properly and pressing until you hear the clips snap back into place. To test your vacuum, plug it in and check that the charging indicator lights up. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you charge your vacuum regularly and store it in a cool, dry place. Avoid letting the battery completely deplete before charging, as this can shorten its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.